My name is Essence Mason, and this is my instructional design project. I use 3 articles: teaching early writing, supporting early writers from preschool to elementary school, effects of early writing intervention delivered within a database instruction framework, effects of writing instruction on kindergarten students, writing achievement, and experimental study. The purpose of my design project. My design project was on students using mentor text to aid in the writing process. The focus of the project was on narrative, persuasive, and expository writing. The target population is kindergarten students in the state of Georgia. My first article was for teaching early writing, supporting early writers from preschool to elementary school. This article analyzes the early writing of students and emphasizes the differences in writing standards for preschool students versus students in a K through 2 classroom. K through 2 writing standards focus on composing ideas, while preschool standards focus on writing as an expression. For example, reading them a book and them being able to draw a picture. When kindergarten first starts, we start with that, but then we expand. So the goal is always for them to be able to produce a sentence, and then as time goes on, they're producing more sentences. And the recommended strategies included establishing purpose, orally generating and expanding ideas as a class, providing concrete support, and validating writing. Another recommended strategy was enriching play with writing and writing with play. The writing curriculum in my class focuses on the purpose of writing to help students foster an understanding of the writing process. I would use the strategy of enriching play with writing. This can be done by making any activity a writing activity. For example, indoor recess, I can turn a game that we're playing in class into a writing activity. The second article was the effects of writing instruction on kindergarten students' writing achievement and experimental study. This study focused on examining the methods of writing instruction used to contribute to kindergarten writing skills. The methods examined are writing workshop and interactive writing. Writing workshops are daily independent writing with teacher guidance and monitoring, and the interactive writing is teachers and students composing texts of various lengths while gathered for whole group instruction. I use interactive writing as a part of the writing curriculum for my district. I haven't thought about using writing workshops in my classroom. This is something that I would want to use in the morning for small groups and adjust the writing that was done during the writing block in afternoon small groups. For my third article, it was about the effects of early writing intervention delivered within a data-based instruction framework. This article focused on writing interventions for grades 1 through 3 and students with disabilities or at risk disabilities. The article also examined whether DBI is a good strategy to help students with writing. Transcription skills taught early in the writing process can be used to prevent writing difficulties. DBI is a hypothesis driven empirical approach to individualizing instructions. The article also mentioned different steps for DBI: establish present level of performance, set an ambitious long term goal, implement high quality instruction with fidelity, monitor student progress, use decision rules to evaluate student progress and instructional effectiveness, generate hypotheses to individualize instruction, and make instructional changes based on the hypothesis. The information in the article on DBI will be beneficial in my classroom because I have students who are at risk for learning disabilities. The DBI model is similar to the steps I already use in my classroom, but it focuses on hypothesizing. I can use this approach by hypothesizing for individualized instruction so I can differentiate for my students at risk. and these are my references. Thank you.